Sirocco Marine is renowned for its innovative designs and exceptional quality. This A360L is testament to their attention to detail, using only the world's finest products. Join me as we look at what the A360L has to offer. Starting at the bow of this European-made A360L, we have this square nose and also incorporated this flat deck plate. Now this flat deck plate is perfect if you're getting people on board or getting people off the boat. And it also has the American product Seadek, which is a non-slip foam. At the front here, we also have a bow roller and a cleat for tying up or putting your anchor out. Nicely recessed into this section, we have our navigation lights if you're operating in low light conditions or from dusk to dawn, and where they're mounted, they're not in harm's way, meaning that you'll never knock them. The large diameter tubes on this A360L mean that you've got a good carrying capacity and you can take up to 6 people on this boat. They also mean that you have great stability, and that is at rest and while you're underway. Along the entire length of these tubes, you will find grab handles on both the port and starboard sides. At the end of the tubes, you'll find these flat end cones, and they are designed to get you onto the plane quicker and also keep the bow down. Powering the A360L, we have the Honda BF40 with its Japanese reliability and 7-year domestic warranty. Extending the waterline length of the A360L, you will find these plates at the back of the boat. Now they act a little bit like a trim tab, getting you on the plane quicker, keeping the bow down and reducing the spray, ultimately giving you a stable, fast, dry ride. On the transom, you'll find 2 heavy-duty tie-down points. Included with this European-made A360L is this arch. Now this arch serves multiple purposes. It is great for when you're getting on board the boat and you want to use it as a grab handle. It also has a heavy-duty cleat on the port and the starboard side for tying up, and it gives you somewhere to mount your anchor light if you're traveling in low light conditions or between dusk and dawn. One of the most exciting features about this arch though is the tow point, meaning that if you want to tow somebody on a wakeboard or a set of skis behind the boat, you can confidently do that knowing that the rope isn't going to collide with the engine or the tubes. If the arch is going to be in the way of something that you want to do with this boat, well that's not a problem, as the arch is fully removable. If you're wanting to use your A360L as a tender and lift it out of the water with your davit system, then that's not a problem, because included with this boat is 4 heavy-duty lifting eyes. The powder-coated alloy hull on this boat, with its deep V, gives you a nice soft ride, and add the large diameter tubes to that, you also have stability. At the front of this boat, you'll find a heavy-duty eye here, which is perfect if you're towing it behind your larger vessel or you're going to want to put it on a trailer. Along the length of the hull, you'll find this keel protector, which gives you nice peace of mind when you're pulling up on the beach. At the helm of the A360L, you have this beautiful wide rear lounge with its ergonomically designed backrest. The seating throughout the A360L is very comfortable, and that is a result of the thick foam that they've used, as well as the Silvertex vinyl in which they've finished off the seating. The backrest on this rear lounge folds forward, and that serves 2 purposes. The first purpose is if you need to get to the transom, you can easily step over it. The second purpose, if you've got a water skier at the back of the boat, your driver can face forward and your observer can face back. The classy looking fiberglass console on this A360L has been very well designed and laid out. To control this boat, you have this beautiful Italian-made steering wheel. This console has this nice stainless steel grab handle that runs the entire way around, as well as this nice thick stylish windshield protecting you from the elements. On the dash you will find a switch panel with 4 switches, and they are for your anchor light, your navigation light, your bilge pump, and we've also got a horn. If you are wanting to use something like an air pump with this boat, well it comes with a 12-volt socket, making it nice and simple to plug in. Included in this package is a maintenance-free battery, and conveniently placed behind the helm, you will find the battery switch. On this console, you will find plenty of room for mounting things like gauges, or if you want to put a chart plotter in. The console has been offset to the starboard side, leaving plenty of access room on the port side. Underneath the rear lounge, you will find plenty of storage, and this is ideal for your safety equipment or anything that you are wanting to take to the beach for the day. The flooring throughout the A360L is the American product Seadek, and it is super comfortable under feet, and best of all, non-slip. In front of the console, you'll find this very comfortable seat, including a backrest. Underneath the seat, you'll find more storage, including the maintenance-free battery. And why we've mounted the battery there is to give you central weight distribution. At the front of this boat, we have this beautiful lounge, which is certainly wide enough for 2 people. It is also finished off with the classy Silvertex vinyl. Underneath the front lounge, you will find a 40-litre fuel tank. Now, Sirocco have intentionally placed that there for weight distribution, keeping the bow down, particularly if you're riding only one up. Protecting your investment from the harsh Australian conditions, Sirocco have included a genuine storage cover. Now, the best thing about that is that it is made to fit. This European-made Sirocco A360L is perfectly designed to have plenty of fun on the water. So if you want to find out more information about this model or any of the other ribs in the Sirocco lineup, visit siroccomarine.com.au.